here, and today I want to take a look at the Sugarpill Fun Size Mini Palette. This just came out, and I actually bought it on pre-sale, and with the pre-sale you also get this cute sheet of stickers and this, and open this up. Actually, I'll show you the back. So it's a 9-color palette, and it's a mini palette, and it's super cute. I mean, it's, look at that little pixel 8-bit kitty. That is so cute. That's the back there, and then on the side it says portable entertainment system right there. That is so cute. So let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, you get 9 of these small Sugarpill shadows, and it comes with a mirror. Let's go ahead and swatch these. So I'll start with cheat code. It says that is a seafoam. So that's kind of a light color there. And then 8-bit, that is this one here. It's a periwinkle, and these are matte. It's very pretty. And then player 1 here, which is a lilac. And then Twitch is right here. It's a mint green. And Level Up is a pinky coral, it's called, pink tone coral. Then Rage Quit, it's right there. That is deep magenta rose. Then Continue. It's right here, it's a mustard yellow. And then High Score, it's this marigold. And then Game Over, which is an orange red. It's really vibrant. So as you can see, some of them are a little bit more vibrant than the other ones. Some came off a little bit more softer, more sheer. They're all pastel mattes. And here we go, that's better. Okay, so here are the swatches up close. My arm's pretty close. As you can see, they're all pastel mattes. A couple of the shades were sheerer than the others, but they all look like they're fairly pigmented. I want to see how they look on the eye, how they perform. But yeah, they're all really pretty colors. They're all pastel mattes. And I'm just going to try to use some on the eyes and see how that looks. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this a little bit differently, and I'm going to go ahead and use Twitch on the eyelid here. My eyes are already primed. Twitch was one of the ones that looked a little more sheer, but it is showing up on the lid. It was a little more sheer in the swatch. I'm going to go with Cheat Code. Continue the lid and go back. And both of these shades are showing up really well. And then I'm going to use Continue in the crease. Kind of blend it up. Okay, so these are blending really well. And they are showing up. I'm gonna go with Game Over and deepen the crease a little with that. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And I'm going to blend it out. I actually meant to apply it with a fluffier brush and didn't. That's okay, I'll blend it out. So that is actually blending super well together. And the pigments aren't blending away. You can see each individual color. So I'm going to go into High Score. I'm going to go around what I just did with Game Over so that it kind of makes a gradient effect with the yellow. I'm going to go into 8-bit here and see if it will create a little bit of a darker color here on the side so that there'll be like a deeper shade towards the edges. That usually looks best on me. I don't typically do the underside of my eye normally, but I do want to see how these different shades perform and use as many as I can. So I'm going to take setting spray and go into Rage Quit. And try that underneath. I'm going to continue that with Level Up. I'm going to put Continue right in the inner part. And then I'm also going to go ahead and fluff out Continue along the top here. Kind of fluff it up a little bit. Okay, and I actually want the orange to be a little more intense. So I'm going to go back into Game Over and use this fluffy brush, which is what I was intending originally, but I'm going to go ahead and do that in the crease here. Okay, yeah, that's what I intended more. So let me do that on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and put on liner and lashes and be right back. I'm back with my lashes and my liner, and I just want to say that I did not love, I used this in another video, but this Lord & Berry eyeliner, I don't love it. It's really soft and it's hard to control, and if I do this again, which I'll definitely be using this palette again, but I would use a thin liquid liner. But this pencil I just don't love. Sorry, Lord & Berry. I have a lip pencil from them that I do love. So I think their lip pencils are very good. This doesn't work for me because it's too soft and it's hard to control. I had to smudge it out, and I don't know, I don't think it looks that great. But anyway, these are the lashes, or the mascara that I used. They're Real from Benefit. This is my absolute favorite. I just put one coat on this time, but I usually put two. But I didn't think I needed to put two coats. But two coats I think does actually look better. On my lips, I am wearing Sugarpill in Spank, and it's a purple matte, which I thought would go good with the eyes. I'll lean in so you can see the finished look. I really like it. So reasons to buy this palette is the colors are blendable, they're highly pigmented, they're beautiful, there's absolutely zero fallout, they don't blend away, and they're everything you'd want in shadows. Reasons to not buy it are if you either have too many things this color, if you already collect Sugarpill and these colors are too close to what you already have, although I believe that these are different colors than anything they actually have in stock for single shades. If $28 plus shipping and all that is a little bit too steep for you, you could probably find a rainbow palette at the drugstore that's less. But it really is a good deal when you're talking Sugarpill and you're talking this quality. Otherwise, I would say pick this up if you're curious about this, if you like the colors, if you think it's cute. I would definitely pick it up. I think it's definitely worth it. If you like this video, please subscribe, and again, thank you for watching.